Alright, here we are again at OTF, and this one's going to be OTF 6. Welcome back, and we're going to do a little brief look at our gun collection. This year's just a little bit different because we're only displaying the ones that we are actually using at OTF this year. Okay? So, with no further ado, up there in the right-hand corner, you're looking at a Glock 17, which is a 9mm. Then you go down one more to the Glock 19, which is a full-size 9mm. And then you have the Glock 20, which is a 10mm. And then you go down to the newest edition, actually. We just picked this one up. It's the Glock 31, which is a 357 SIG. Very, very nice, I must say. Then over there, you're looking at the Glock 23, which is a 40 caliber. And then you want to swing up to the top to the Smith & Wesson E-Series 45 caliber. That one has a light rail. Very, very nice, part of our logo. Then you scoot down to the Smith & Wesson, that's the Model 945-1. It's a 45 from the Performance Center, actually. Very nice. Then if you swing down to the, or actually up top there, the Smith & Wesson 686 Plus, that's a 357 Magnum, which is a 7-round actually, meaning the plus, of course. Then right below that is the Smith & Wesson 642. It's a 38 special. Nice little pocket carry. Then right below that's the same, actually, which is a Smith & Wesson 642 38 special, but the only difference actually is a little internal modified spring work that we did. And you swing up top, that's another Smith & Wesson 45 E-Series. Difference being that one doesn't have the light rail. Then you swing on down to the Sig Sauer. That's a model SP2022, which is a 9mm. And then down there on the bottom, you're looking at a Smith & Wesson 44 Magnum model 329 PD. That's the one that weighs 25 ounces, and that's the one that stings the hand. You swing up there to the left, that's a Ruger Mark III that shoots the 22 long rifle. Very, very accurate. Actually, yesterday, we shot at 100 yards, dead on target, and popped a couple of balloons. It was pretty interesting. Then right there is the Kimber 45. That's a Crimson 2, actually. Very, very nice 45X. Then down on the bottom is a Springfield XDS. That's a 45 caliber. Then you just want to stop real quick. We threw that into the mix this year. That's another little addition we got, which is a pretty new, it's a crossbow, and it has a 175 test line on it. It shoots pretty far, actually, and we're just trying to get the scope zeroed in a little bit, but fun to shoot. We'll swing over to the rifle area. The first one there you're looking at is the Mossberg Blackwater 12 gauge. That's a pump shotgun. Pretty neat to fire. It's fun to play with. And then next to it's the Benelli. That's the Black Eagle 2. That's a semi-auto 12 gauge. Then next to that is one of the newest ones we picked up this year, which is the Franche. It's made by a Beretta, I believe. It's an Instinct too. It's a 12 gauge over-under. And then next to that's another new addition that we picked up this year, which is a Ruger. It's a red label 12 gauge over-under. And then next to that's the Mini 14. Dead on accurate, I will say that. And then last, we're looking at the new Frontier AR-15. We always bring that because it's just fun to shoot. One little thing, we swing over here, I just want to show you the trap machine that we threw into the mix. This is the OTF Model 101. So you can either do trap or ski. We do appreciate you listening to the video, and we're going to be off to trap shoot and play with our handguns. Thank you for viewing.